Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use live captions for any audio source. If you're using PC, using Windows 10 or 11 and you want to use live captions for any of your audio source, so let's see how can you do that. So you can easily access using this quick center, just click on it and here you might see live captions. You can also go to search and here in accessibility section, you might see live captions here, just click on it. So if you're opening this very first time, so you just have to make a first time startup. So just click on yes continue, and from here select your language, then click on continue again. Now here you can see it is ready to show live captions. So let's see, I'm gonna open a video from my PC. So here's my own video. So let's see, I'm gonna opening this one. Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage per app once I've permissions in opened Windows any 11. Video or any audio, you might get if you're using live Windows captions of the 11 and you video or want to audio manage here your per in app this permissions, so bar. If you want to close it, just click on this cross icon and it will be closed. Now once you are so in this way you can easily use live caption in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.